Oh my word. Hobart welder generator. Little issue. Wasn't sure if it was fuel related. So took the fuel filter off, blew it out, traced that up, disconnected the fuel pump, which is that. And it's driven off the suction kind of the engine. It turns that, pumps it, and then took that off, put it through there. Like, so essentially I took that line off, got it to pump fuel, so I knew I had fuel to there, but still no fuel in the carb. Then I took the spark plug. It's a twin engine, so one spark plug on each side. Had spark, so spark, no fuel. So unbolted this plate and then took the carb off. And I've had an engine, grain auger engine before, so it was in the carb. And so carb's off, and you can't, that's where the fuel line is. So you're like, couldn't blow through it, right? So then it could be like a jet inside, but all these new carbs, they come with an anti-detonation device, so that when it shuts off and loses power, a needle slams in there and doesn't let any fuel through, so that it can't backfire after the engine is shut off. So anti-backfire, anti-detonation, anti-backfire, whatever. That's the whole deal of this device. So a brand new grain auger I bought wouldn't start when they dropped it off. Took it all apart, and it was this shut off kind of valve. So I pulled this all apart before I popped the carburetor apart to see what was wrong with it. I thought, yeah, this stupid little thing. And would you look at that, just completely corroded. So as soon as I popped that out of there, I could blow through there, no problem. So I'm going to take this to the shop, clean it up, and see if when I put power, because it should be a little plunger to it, see if I can't get it to work. If you're a farmer, you need one of those, or just have brand new equipment. But if you don't, then you need one. So I fall into the camp of I need one. Anyhow, hook that up, the ground to the metal casing, and then so the plunger cycles, so it was just sticking in there. So we're gonna attempt cleaning that up. We know that the magnet works in there, the electromagnet. So if I clean that up so it doesn't stick in there, we should be good as gold. Okay, got it all buffed up, and then I just put some TF15 on there, and should be able to slide right in there. Okay, I won't bore you with the tightening up. Okay, this, you got to be a bit of a monkey to get all these back in there. If you turn them sideways and then clip them and then rotate it. And then I just put a cloth down there so I didn't get a bunch of stuff down the carb hole. So again, if you're mechanically inclined to get that far, putting that on and taking it off won't be that big a deal. So I'll get it all hooked up, and then I have to have the ground hooked to that to turn the key on, but I'm so confident that that detonation thing was the problem that I'm just going to go ahead and hook it up. I'm convinced. Okay, nothing really to report. Putting it back together, pretty straightforward. Just take your time getting them pieces on there. So I won't put the top on, I'll just put this tight, and then we'll give it a try, and that'll be good enough. I'm overconfident that that's what it is. Stupid anti-backfire dealio. Anyhow, you know how to fix it. Take care.